introduces Vardar X3M, the new addressable RGB fans. Water Blocks, the premium computer liquid cooling gear manufacturer, is releasing a new version of its renowned 120mm Vardar fan. The Vardar X3M 120 comes with removable rubber dampers on the corners, making sure vibration is not transferred from the fan to the rest of the PC. Aside from that, the rotor has received airflow optimizations, and on the RGB versions, the lighting solution is upgraded to addressable RGB LEDs. The Vardar X3M 120 is a high static pressure computer cooling fan built for the highest performance computer systems. It features removable rubber dampers on corners of the fan to reduce vibration and thus noise. These rubber dampers come pre-installed for use in push orientation but can be removed and mounted the other way for a pull orientation. This fan comes in 4 variants, 2 with no LEDs and 2 with addressable RGB implementation. The black or white designation on the end marks the color of the rubber corners, which can be mounted the other way if you want to use these fans in pull orientation. The perfectly balanced 7-fan blade design is optimized for high-pressure operation while maintaining the low noise profile throughout the whole operation range of the fan. The RGB versions use a milky white rotor that does a great job of diffusing the light and provides great dispersion of 9 LEDs located in the fan motor. The addressable RGB LEDs use standard 3-pin 5V RGB connectors, meaning it can be used with any standard 3-pin 5V RGB controller, Connect, or any of popular RGB sync technologies from all major motherboard manufacturers. The arrow marking on the 3-pin LED connector is to be aligned with the +5V marking on the RGB header. Vardar X3M rubber dampers can be purchased separately in various color options to match your build. The 6 available colors are red, blue, yellow, orange, green, and purple. The start-stop function featured with the Vardar X3M 120 models will ensure the user a true 0 decibels noise environment. When the fan curve is set with the minimum threshold point below 25% PWM duty cycle, depending on the motherboard model, the motor and the electronics will turn off and the fan will simply stop spinning. Vardar X3M 120 restarts operation automatically as fan control ramps up its operational duty cycle past threshold start-stop point. Vardar X3M 120 models also feature dual ball bearing, which has superior durability compared to hydrodynamic bearing. Dual ball bearing fans can tolerate higher temperatures and can be mounted in any axial orientation without concern for bearing lifespan degradation. Other key characteristics of the Vardar X3M 120 are 500 to 2200 revolutions per minute fans are high static pressure, low noise profile. Unlike other general-purpose computer cooling fans, the Vardar X3M 120 fan is built for high-powered PC systems. The Vardar's design is also suitable for restrictive cases with dust filters. High-quality motor and bearing assembly, new electrical design, actively cooled motor windings and the dual ball bearing with 50.000 hours of lifespan, MTBF, ensures uninterrupted operation for years to come. Precise pulse width modulation, PWM, for fan speed adjustment allows performance on demand. Standard RGB connection. The Vardar X3M 120 RGB features a standard 3-pin 5V RGB connection that is compatible with any popular RGB sync technology from major motherboard manufacturers. Start-stop function. The Vardar X3M 120 has a 0 dB mode where the fan turns off when the PWM curve is set below 25%. Color dampers. Interchangeable rubber dampers in multiple color options to boost aesthetics and to reduce vibration transfer. Availability and pricing. The Vardar X3M 120 fans are designed and engineered in Slovenia and are already available for purchase through webshop and partner reseller network. In the table below you can see manufacturer suggested retail price, MSRP, with VAT included.